Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's where every string start with AA or BB. This is a language for which we need to construct. First of all, look into alphabets. What are the alphabets are? A, B, right? A comma B. Means we need to construct the FA that accepting all the strings from the language in which every string should start with AA or BB. Suppose if I take W equal to, it must start with either AA followed by X or BB followed by X. What is the X here? Either it could be A or B. Any number of A's, any number of B's can end. The starting must be AA or BB. Simple to construct here. So let me take Q0 is initial state. First of all of you understand the logic behind construction of FA. You should look into given things. First, given thing you write down. Later, you can remaining thing can be controlled. What is saying AA or BB, right? So I'm starting A Q0 on A Q1. So Q1 on A. Okay, Q2. So this is acceptance. The next one, if it is started with B, this is Q3. Q3 on B, I'm connecting to B only. Reason B and C start with A, right? Or start with BB. So after ending, it can have any number of A's followed by n number of A's, right? So you have to carefully observe. It is saying that you must be start with AA or BB only. I'm not talking about this ending bala. So I'm connecting here. What about suppose A then B comes? A then B comes. So AB, we don't have AB, right? It must not start with AB, right? Or BA. So I'm just controlling here. If you suppose here, now here I'm taking, look this carefully. So Q0 on B comes. Q0 on B comes, I'm going to be another state Q4. Q3 on A comes, I'm sending to here. Q3 on A Q4. For any number of A's and B's should be rejected. It means you understand. W equal to A should accept, right? W equal to AB comes. But AB is not starting. Starting this said AA only, right? It is AB. So it should reject. So I'm rejecting. After AB, if it comes n number of B's also, that must be rejected. That is the result. Q4 I repeat it for n number of B's and B's. It is now dead state here. It is now dead state. Getting my point of view. So now number of A started with AA or BB, it will accept. It is also complete decision because each and every state we have a transition. Now question is the number of states. The question will be like this: number of states in minimal FA or for or DFA will be same only, because in this case DFA and minimal FA case both states will be same only. Reason behind, you might not having the differentiation between MFA and DFA, right? So minimal FA nothing, minimized FA means minimize nothing but we have to minimize, means minimization means we will learn later. Sometimes what happens, for given language, if we construct DFA, there may be chances are there to like some state may be equal, some state may be equal, some state may be unreachable. After elimination of equal states and unreachable state, the resultant DFA will be called as a minimal FA. In this case, further you can have to do the reduction. So that is the reason I am calling number of states in DFA or minimal FA same only. Is number of states in minimal FA or DFA equal to how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states. So I hope you're getting all of you, ma. So thank you all.